Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world. Engineering is no exception. From the way we conceptualize projects to the tools we use on site, AI is making a significant impact. It's not just about automation, it's about innovation and efficiency. Engineers are now able to simulate complex scenarios, predict outcomes, and optimize designs in ways that were previously unimaginable. AI is transforming how we design, build, and maintain systems. With AI, we can monitor infrastructure in real time, ensuring safety and longevity. Drones and robotic machinery are becoming commonplace on construction sites, reducing human error and increasing productivity. The integration of AI in engineering is not just a trend, it's a revolution. Engineers who embrace AI will thrive in this new era. They will be the pioneers, leading the charge in creating smarter, more efficient systems. The ability to work alongside AI tools will set them apart, making them invaluable assets in their fields. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt and innovate, those who don't risk being left behind. The pace of technological advancement is relentless, and staying updated with AI developments is crucial. Engineers who fail to adapt may find themselves struggling to keep up with industry standards and expectations. It's a competitive world, and AI is the key to staying ahead.
Now is the time to master the essential AI skills for a successful future. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, or hands-on experience, gaining proficiency in AI is more accessible than ever. The investment in learning these skills will pay off, opening doors to new opportunities and career advancements. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. It is reshaping industries, creating new job roles, and redefining what is possible. The impact of AI is far-reaching, influencing everything from urban planning to environmental sustainability. Engineers are at the forefront of this transformation, driving progress and innovation. It is already automating tasks, improving efficiency, and enabling new possibilities. Factories are becoming more automated, and renewable energy projects are benefiting from AI-driven optimizations. The potential applications of AI in engineering are vast and varied, limited only by our imagination and willingness to explore. Engineers who understand AI will be at the forefront of this revolution. They will be the visionaries, the innovators, and the leaders who shape the future. Embracing AI is not just about keeping up with the times, it's about seizing the opportunity to make a lasting impact on the world.
One crucial AI skill for engineers is machine learning. This technology is transforming the way we approach problem-solving and innovation in the engineering field. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data without explicit programming. By